This 2018 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire County Route 28 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 32 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 5, self-contained, TV antenna, stovetop burner, air conditioning, oven, LP detector, skylight, external shower, TV, carbon monoxide detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire County Route 28 road is 8,526 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.